Welcome, here I've got REALME GT Master Edition, and let me show you how to manage camera watermarks at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button to open camera settings, and here at the first place we have watermarks option, so let's pick them. Now we can add phone model and date and time watermarks to our photos, so by using these buttons from the right we can easily turn them on and off as we need. We can add one of them or both at the same time. And now let me pick phone model so we can get access to more options about it. Here we can pick also custom watermark, so when we tap on it we can add our own signature, for example hard reset. From the right we can save it, and we can also decide to add this only to videos or add this only to photos as we need. And when we move back here and tap to date and time, we get access also to decide to add this to photos or videos. And of course here we can easily turn it off also. Now let me keep this like that, so all of these watermarks are turned on. Let's move back to camera to take a photo to see them. To see my photo, let's move to left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is how it looks like with watermarks at the center at the bottom. So we get access here to REALME watermark shot by hard reset. So in the first line we have device 1 with custom, and in the second line we have date and time. And of course when we don't need them or need another composition with that, we have to move back to camera, then to right corner settings, to watermarks, and use this as we need or just turn them off from the right. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.